Today we have two brand new Subarus, one stock suspension, one with the Ironman 4x4 suspension. We have a pretty cool course setup. We have a tarmac section, we have some loose stuff, so we're just going to see how the Ironman 4x4 suspension matches against a stock vehicle. Let's see how the stock Subaru performs. Here we go. Feel it on this one quite a bit. Braking in, the nose gets super heavy. Woo! Boy, up over that crest, it really snapped around there. All right, here we are in the Ironman 4x4 suspension Subaru, so let's see what we got. Yeah, it doesn't really lean over nearly as much. Boy, no issues there. So overall, it doesn't move nearly as much, so it's changing direction a lot quicker, a lot easier. So compared to the stock suspension, there was a lot more feeling of control with the Ironman 4x4 suspension. It was a lot more composed, and because it didn't do anything strange, I felt comfortable pushing it more at the limit. Cool thing about this that I actually forgot was that this was actually a lifted suspension, which, you know, obviously gives you better off-road capabilities, but it wasn't compromised in any way. So safety, comfort, good performance, it's a great package.